Starting?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the black one. And this is the green one. And that's the tan one. And which one? Where are they? There's two. And
here's some egg sacs. It's not focusing on it though. Right there. A big freakish finger comes on the screen.
There's another black one under here. They're camouflaging because they look a lot more.
Here's one.
Oh, another green one. Oh, there's another black one right there. They really like this tree. Oh, there's another black one right there.
That's the guy you just showed. He jumped over there.
Oh.
They're tricky, all right.
That one's